Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I want to show you a project I created. I followed a tutorial by Bella Creative. It's like creative, but at the end it's not an E, it's an A. So Creativa, I don't know. But she sells the tutorials on Etsy. I've had it for a while, and I decided I wanted to make something, a 3D project. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go through all my stuff I got, and then this one stood out to me because I want to send somebody something. So I use Maggie Holmes. I think this one is Flourish Collection. And here is the box I created. Isn't that gorgeous? I've been wanting to use that peacock in that collection, but it's like, what? I don't want to cut it, you know, all of that. I was mad at to cut off the tail right there, but it's still, you can still see the full effect of the peacock. And I added some of my rhinestones here. I had to wait for this to dry a little bit more. I hope these things are dry. I wanted to add some of my diamond drills here under the little Nuvo drops, and those are actually the aroma Nuvo drops, the ones that smell. And this one is the, let's see, this one is the strawberry tart. So when you lean down to them, you can smell, if you had smell-o-vision, you can smell each one of those little dots. They smell like strawberry tarts. So I just put a few here, and then I added some of the drills in between. Isn't this adorable? So that's the side. I don't want to dump all my stuff out. And here is the back. I can put my name on the bottom. But let's open it. I will be making another one, and I'll change how I did this. I love the magnet, but once I hooked it there and then pulled it around, I think I'm gonna make it a little bit longer, because you upload it to your Cricut Design Space. So I think I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. The width is fine, a little bit longer, so it could wrap just a little bit more. So you see, I could barely fit it, or like it at least come here and still have enough room to attach and bend. So I'm saying that because I had to put extra magnets. There's a magnet underneath the paper. I had to put one on top, glue it down. I had to put one here and then one inside, because you know, if I had it covered, then I hooked it and then tried to hook it to the back, and then when I got it hooked down in the back and I tried to hook it, it wouldn't hook. And I'm like, what is going on? It wasn't strong enough, I guess. I should have used two maybe, but making it longer, I think I can add two and still attach it and have a little bit more space in the back. But anyway, you open up by magnet, and booyah! Look at that. Isn't that cute? Now she did not do the top here. I did that. I wanted to have a top on it, but she didn't create a top in her tutorial. So I just used, this is not vellum, but I wanted it to be frosted. So I used my Shrinky-Dink paper. My Shrinky-Dink, I guess that's what you do, Shrinky-Dink plastic. I guess that's what you call it, because it was like a milk color. Now, I tried to put a pull somewhere and it wouldn't stick to this. So I said, oh Lord. So you can dig it out with your fingers. You just take you a minute, whoever gets it. You have to take it. But I'm just going to stick my little pick in there, pull it up, and you can get it off. I might still see if I can figure something out to be able to have a little pull. But it comes right off, and then this is my things. I just wanted to show you that this is not what's going in here. I just wanted to show you, give you like a size, approximate size, okay? I love this size here, but you can't make two of them because these are a certain size here. So this is ideal how she did it, but the configuration doesn't have to be this way. So if you want to turn this side and have the small ones up there, you can. But I do like the medium one the best, I guess. I don't know. They all cute. But look, I got some Nuvo drops. I put my little pokey tool. I'm putting it back up while we're talking. My pen in there. That's a lot of room. Just to give you a size comparison, this is some of those diamond dots I got gifted to me. Fit in this one, and here are a bottle of confetti, you know, to put in shakers. Trying to put stuff up while I put it back. And then these are some flowers I've been working on, so I decided to throw these in there. The corn flower, which I'll do a video on later. So these also come out. So I just grab them and take them out. So if you didn't want to make the box, you just want to have this box with a lid, you can still do that. Right? If you want to make a big project and put it in there, you can. But I did that. I did not cover the sides. The PDF, the SVG comes with all the mats. So even the mats for the sides, see? You get that. Oh, I forgot to put something on the bottom. I'm about to cut some strips and put them on the bottom. They're just squares. So I'll just cut the strips and put them on the bottom instead of going back to my program to cut it out. Anyway, but I thought these were super cute. Look how these come out. Love these little boxes. So cute. They fit perfectly snug in there, but easy to come out. Alright, so that is my little share. And on here, I rounded the edges on here, so it'll be easier to get in and out. So hopefully, yeah, I had to write down the measurements and everything, so I won't forget. I have to turn it around this way, put it back in there. So all it is, y'all know how to cover it. If y'all got any ideas on how to put a little hook on here, let me know. Because this cover is very slick. Again, this is Shrinky Dink wrap paper. Or wrap, whatever you call it. Plastic. It's a plastic. But I wanted it to be frosted. So whatever I put in there, they won't know, you can't really see it till you take that off. Y'all give me some ideas on how to put some. I tried to put a little piece of ribbon right here on the side. It kept slipping and all of that. Now I could use my tiny attacher, staple it on one end, and then have a little loop. Staple it. I could do that, and then they can pull. Just don't want to obstruct anything for when it's closing. So y'all let me know. What do you think about it, guys? How did it turn out? Absolutely love this. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.